Hey, what's up everyone? HM Films here, back again with another tier list video. This time I'll be ranking video editing software. We got all the editing software ever made over here, we got our tiers over here, let's just jump into it. Camtasia, F tier. YouTube Video Editor, F tier. Sony Vegas, F tier. Avid Media Composer, F tier. Adobe Premiere Rush, F tier. iMovie, F tier. DaVinci Resolve, F tier. VSDC, F tier. Adobe After Effects, E tier. Final Cut Pro, F tier. Adobe Premiere Pro, A tier. Shotcut, F tier. HitFilm, F tier. TikTok, B tier. Windows Movie Maker, S tier. So that's my video editing software tier list, and as the greatest editor on the planet, my word is final, so don't bother making your own lists. And be sure to subscribe to HN Films and turn on notifications so you can catch my next Minecraft Let's Play.